What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Adventure Zach. I want to give you guys a quick little update, status of the bike right this second, and where we're actually sitting right now. You can tell I got the rear wheel off the bike. I got these cracked off. I think you guys will know why. Got the new spokes here. I know I mentioned in one of my videos, had to order some new spokes. I broke one of them a while back, and then I just noticed I had another broken one the other day. I ripped a tree branch out of my rear tire on my last ride. That's probably what snapped it off. It actually snapped the nipple off on the very tip right here on this part of the rim. So I figured while I was doing that, might as well check the trueness of my rim. Rim's pretty damn true, so everything's good there. It's a mess right now because I got a bunch of stuff, but I got another set of EBC rear brakes. So these are the double H centered brakes. I think that's how you pronounce it. You can tell the thickness of them once it focuses. It doesn't want to focus there. There we go. The thickness of them, though. So, I mean, I was literally metal. You see how thin the metal was. But I think the fix to that, though, guys, is this. I went ahead and I just ordered a brand new OEM rear rotor. Dirt cheap. It's like 30 bucks for a rear rotor. So, pads itself for $34 or whatever. So, hopefully that's the fix to it. If you guys notice, so I got some spare spokes here. Always good to have. I got to use 2 of them. I think that's going to leave me with 4 or 5 spares. I also got rim locks now. So we're going to go ahead and put these in. These are Tusks, man. Everything that Tusk does, I'm really, really liking. So we'll see. This thing was literally $6 for the front. And I think it was $5.99 for the front, and I think $6.99 for the rear. That was just for the bead locks. Now they come with their own little nut and washer, as you can see right here. And you can go ahead and use that if you want, this nut and this washer. Or you can buy the 2-pack kit for $9.99, which comes with the sloped washer, which is made for the contour with the rim, and then the anodized nut that goes on the top. I cannot get this camera to focus for some reason. I got to double check my focusing settings. It wants to focus randomly. I think I've got it set to selective or something. If you guys saw in one of my other videos, actually you didn't see, I said I had some other things coming, and this is it as well. So I've got 2 quarts of Bel-Ray 10-weight oil, fork oil. We're going to use 10-weight fork oil. Bel-Ray makes really good stuff. I got my ratio right for that because CRF250L's left-hand side is where the Race Tech kit goes. You want to put 500 cc's of fork oil in there. The right-hand side, you don't have to crack it open if you don't want. To me, it doesn't make any sense to not do it. If you're going to put a better brand, like if you're going to put Bel-Ray 10-weight in your left fork when you do the Race Tech kit, I highly recommend you to just crack the right fork open, drain it out, put 600 cc's in the right fork. So again, 500 cc's in the left with the Race Tech kit, 600 cc's in the right with all the OEM parts of oil. And this thing goes up to 500 cc's, but it also tells you right here too, which is kind of nice. Again, it's probably not going to focus on me, and that's a pain in the ass, I know, guys. But anyways, though, it tells you right there. I gotta double check these focus settings because it's frustrating me. But here's the kit. We'll crack all this open, and I'll show you guys what's in there when I do the installation, which is going to be coming here shortly. I'm also going to do a quick oil change on the bike, and I've also got something else in this box over here. This is something I'm pretty excited about too, and I'll show you guys what this is real fast.